Welcome back. In the last video, you left off cutting the back. You cut the length and added some layers in the first section. In this video, you will continue layering the back. Again, if you need to wet the hair down at all, go ahead and do that now. Take a small section at the center of the head just under the clipped up sections. Notice you can see that guide that you already cut. The bottom hair is the guide, the top hair is the new hair that needs to be cut. Making sure you hold the hair straight off the head, match the length. Cut the guide in half and continue moving that guide around the left and the right side. It helps to move the hair around as you can see me doing to check and see if there are any bulky or uneven spots. That section looks good. So now you will repeat that on the right side. Once you have that cut, see how it lays all together. Check that it's even by taking the outermost strands of hair, eyeball the length. If it looks and feels even, then it is. Let down another section of hair from the clips. If you need to wet the hair down some more, make sure to do that. Again, you'll start at the center and connect the guide. Cut the guide in half and take that guide throughout the left and right side of the hair. Don't forget to double check the length. Last section. Continue taking that guide throughout the cut and checking that it is even when you're done. Awesome job! In the next video, you will be blending the sides with the back. I will see you there.